Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Zola Suite easy tutorial step by step clearly. To install Zola Suite, begin by visiting the official Zola Suite website. Locate the download section on the home page. Choose the appropriate installer for your operating system. Click on the download button to start the downloading process. Once the download is complete, navigate to your downloads folder. Locate the Zola Suite installer file. Double-click the installer file to launch the installation process. If prompted by your operating system, confirm that you want to proceed with the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions to continue. You may need to accept the license agreement to proceed. Select the installation directory where you want Zola Suite to be installed. Choose whether to create a shortcut on your desktop for easy access. Click the Install button to begin the installation. The installation process may take a few moments. Once the installation is finished, you will see a confirmation message. Click the Finish button to exit the installer. Now, locate the Zola Suite shortcut on your desktop or search for it in your applications. Double-click the Zola Suite icon to launch the application. You may be prompted to enter your login credentials. Enter your username and password to access Zola Suite. After logging in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Zola Suite. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.